Welcome to this data recovery demonstration brought to you by SOS Ransomware, part of RECOVEO Limited, specialized in data recovery services. In this video, we will recover an encrypted VEEAM backup file that has become inaccessible due to a ransomware attack using RECOVEO's proprietary VEEAM Extractor tool. In this sequence, our specialist attempts to launch the VEEAM backup file. This is the VEEAM screen. Our technician tries to extract a virtual disk. However, an error interrupts the process, as you can see in this dialog box. This prevents VEEAM from extracting any data. He then opens the virtual disk and searches for the specific file we want to extract. The technician identifies that the file is corrupt and has been the target of a ransomware attack. This is clearly visible with the series of numbers appearing after the VBK extension. Our specialist attempts to open the file using a different standard method. As such, he renames the file by suppressing the sequence of numbers added to it as a result of the attack. Once the file has been renamed, the technician attempts to extract it with the VEEAM software via command line. However, as you can see, an error message appears stating, "Failed to retrieve key sets from encrypted storage." As standard tools cannot bypass this failure, our specialist closes the backup software and prepare to launch the SOS Ransomware VEEAM Extractor tool. Our VEEAM Extractor tool performs a data search and goes through various stages to identify recoverable data. As you can see, at the end of the process, the VEEAM Extractor tool indicates that we have recovered a massive 79.6 gigabytes out of 80 gigabytes of previously inaccessible data. Our specialist is now going to check manually that the virtual disk extracted and recovered has been saved on the desktop and can be opened. This is the virtual disk successfully recovered. This is the final phase of the process. Our technician demonstrates that all the files have now been recovered and can be opened successfully. The process is now complete, confirming that all the files have been successfully recovered. Contact SOS Ransomware today to regain full access to your encrypted VEEAM files. Visit sosransomware.com to send us a request or call us now to discuss your case with one of our recovery specialists.